Okay, today I want to talk about a quick way to mend rips in your hunting gear, um, just regular clothes. I don't always like to sew things just because it's hard to sew. It takes a lot of time to set up sewing machine and all the threading and stuff. But I wanted to show you another way that I've mended repairs over the years that it's actually been incredibly durable, and I prefer doing this if it's not something that needs to look perfect. So what I do here is this is a battery powered jacket I have for staying warm, and it had some problems with the wiring, so I cut it open in a few spots, and now it's got the cuts. So I figured I'd take this opportunity to show you how I would go about repairing just a regular tear. So what I'd first do is get that cut lined up, tuck in all the excess, and then what I do is I take a regular hot glue gun, okay? It works really, really well. And I just tried this out of a whim one time because I needed to fix a pair of pants. And it's really simple. You put a small amount of glue on your cut, and then you take a old credit card or gift card. This happens to be an old used Amazon card, and you press it down into the cut. You give it, I don't know, 20, 30 seconds, whatever it needs to be. It doesn't take long. And then you can slowly peel this off. And this is sealed. You can pick off the extra little pieces if you want to clip them or whatever, but this will not come apart. I've I've had hunting pants that have hot glue seals on them for years and years and years, going through brush and pickers, and it does not come apart. Whereas in the past, if I'd sewed things back together, a lot of times the threads will come back out and whatnot. So that's about it. Super easy stuff at home. Good luck.